everyone, I am Ritika Zuzgar, Assistant Professor IT Department. So in the course of machine learning, in previous lecture we started our second unit. Okay, so second unit is based on regression. So in that we already discussed what is meant by regression, why we use the regression, example of regression, and what are the different terminologies used in the regression. Okay, so in the regression, there are the independent variable, dependent variable, outliers, multi-collinearity, underfitting, and overfitting. Okay, so these are the different terminologies used in a regression. Okay, so in this lecture, we discuss about types of regression. Okay, so let us discuss. So there are various types of regression which are used in data science and machine learning. So each regression type has its own importance on the different scenario. Okay, but at the core, all the regression method analysis the effect of the independent variable on the dependent variable. Okay, all the regression types are independent variable on the dependent variables. Okay, so here we are discussing some important types of regression. First is a linear regression, the second is a logistic regression, third one is the polynomial regression, fourth is the support vector regression, decision tree regression, random forest regression, ridge regression, and lasso regression. Okay, so first we discuss regression type is a linear regression. So this linear regression is the statistical regression method which is used for the predictive analysis. Okay, which is used for the predictive analysis. Okay, so this type is one of the very simple and easy algorithms which works on the regression and shows the relationship between the continuous variable. What are the continuous variables? Independent variable and the dependent variable. Okay, so in the linear regression we define the relationship between the independent variable and the dependent variable, that is the continuous or a real variables. So this linear regression is used for solving the regression problems in a machine learning. Okay, by using this linear regression we can solve our regression type problems in a machine learning. So linear regression shows the linear relationship between the independent variable, that is x-axis. Okay, in previous video we already discussed how to plot the independent variable and dependent variables in graphs. Okay, so all the independent variables are in x-axis and all the dependent variable shows in the y-axis. Okay, so linear regression shows the relationship between the independent variable x-axis and the dependent variable y-axis. So hence it is called as a linear regression. So linear regression makes predictions for continuous or real or some numeric variables such as sales, salary, age, product, price, etc. Okay. So the relationship between various linear regressions models can be explained using this image. Okay, so here we have some example. Here we are predicting the salary of employee on the basis of the year of experiences. Okay, so here we are predicting the salary of employee on the basis of the year of experiences. Okay, so here all the year of experiences is an independent variable on x-axis and all the dependent variable, that is the salary, is on a y-axis. Okay. So see here, so this is the mathematical equation of linear regression. नॉर्मली जो हमारा लीनियर रिग्रेशन का इक्वेशन क्या होता है, लीनियर फॉर्म में कोई भी ग्राफ हम प्लॉट करते हैं, सो उसका इक्वेशन क्या होता है, y इक्वल टू ए एक्स प्लस बी. ओके, x इज ओवर x axis, y is over y is on our y axis. Okay, and a x plus b, a and b are the what, our two constant or a two constant variable, that is the linear coefficient variables. Okay, so here in this mathematical equation I am using the a0 and a1 instead of ax plus b. Here I am using a0 and a1. Okay, so here y is what? Our dependent variable, which is also called as a target variables. So in this example, what is our dependent variable? Salary is our dependent variable. And the next one is the x equal to independent variable, that is the predictor variable, on which basis we are predicting some values. On the basis of year of experiences, on the basis of year of experiences we predict the our salary. Okay, so x is equal to independent variable, predictor variables. Okay, on the x-axis, here what is our independent variable? Experience. Okay, and the a0 and a1 are the linear coefficient. Okay, these are the two constant variables, which is also called as a linear coefficient. So this a0 and a1 also scale factor to the each input value. What are the input values here? 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so these are the different input values. So here we are predicting the scale factor for an input variable based on the a0 and a1. Okay, so this is the linear regression. The next is a linear regression line. Okay, so in the linear regression line, it's showing the relationship between the dependent variables and the independent variable, which is called as a regression line. Okay, so this regression line contain the two types. The first is a positive linear relationship, and the second one is the negative linear relationship. Okay, so if the dependent variable increases on the y-axis and the independent variable increases on the x-axis, then the relationship is called as a positive linear relationship. Okay, so here I will explain the linear, how to draw the linear regression line. Okay, so here we discussed about linear regression line. Okay, so there are total two types are present here. linear regression लाइन के अंदर दो टाइप्स है. First is what? First type is a positive linear regression. Positive linear relationship, sorry. Okay, relationship. And the second one is negative linear relationship. So these are the two line of regression types. Okay. So the in the positive linear relationship, if the dependent variable increases on y-axis and the independent variable increases on x-axis, so then the such relationship is termed as a positive linear relationship. Okay, so I will plot here x and y, x and y. Okay, so यहाँ पे होगा हमारा x एक्सिस, सॉरी y एक्सिस, ये होगा हमारा x एक्सिस. ओके, and if both this x axis is increases, dependent variable increases on y axis and independent variable increases on x axis. Okay, so this type of relationship is called as a positive linear relationship. Okay, so this is the positive line of regression. So this line is what? Our positive linear regression. So this line is called as a positive linear regression. Okay, and the equation is what? अगर हमारा नॉर्मल जो भी नॉर्मल लीनियर रिग्रेशन है उसका फॉर्मूला क्या है? y इक्वल टू a0x प्लस a1. ओके, So this is our line of equation for this positive linear regression. Line of equation is what? Equation is equal to, it would be y equal to a0 plus a1 x, और x1 x a1 सॉरी, ओके, ऐसे भी हम लिख सकते हैं या फिर और कांस्टेंट वैल्यूज पहले लिखते हैं, ठीक है. सो दिस इज अ लाइन ऑफ इक्वेशन फॉर द पॉजिटिव लीनियर रिलेशनशिप. सेकंड इज व्हाट? नेगेटिव लीनियर रिग्रेशन. Okay, so in the second type, if the dependent variable decreases on y-axis and the independent variable increases on the x-axis. Okay, यहाँ पे x-axis पे हमारा क्या होना चाहिए? Increase होना चाहिए. So here, so this is our dependent variable on y-axis and independent variables on a x-axis. Okay, so here we have y and here we have a x. सो लाइन ऑफ रिग्रेशन कैसा होगा फिर यहाँ पे? y के ऊपर डिक्रीज हो रहा है. ओके, सो लाइन ऑफ रिग्रेशन इज लाइक दिस. ओके, दिस इज द लाइन ऑफ रिग्रेशन फॉर अ नेगेटिव लीनियर रिलेशनशिप. दिस इज अ नेगेटिव linear regression. And the equation is what? Line of equation for the negative slope is, equation is y is equal to minus a0 plus a1 x. Okay, so this is the line of equation for the negative slope. Okay, and these are the x and y is whatever independent and dependent variables. Okay, x is what here? Independent variable. Independent variables, which is also called as a predictor, and y is whatever? Dependent variables, that is our target variables. Okay, so here, okay, so this is the line of regression.